princess, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I am back at it again with another freaking video. So today I'm gonna be showing you babes how I get my natural hair into a nice slick ponytail. Okay, this is a quick little hairstyle that I want to show you because some of you babes been asking since my last tutorial. Because in that last tutorial, my hair, I had a perm in my hair, relaxer in my hair, and it was easier for me to do that ponytail. So for my natural hair girlies that want to learn how to do a slick ponytail, I got you. So in this tutorial, I'm just showing you guys my raw natural hair like this. My hair is thick. My hair texture has changed over the years. I really do not know what texture I have. In the past, it was like a nice texture. It was really soft, and I can blow dry it maybe like 2 to 3 times, and it'll be straight. It was like a nice kinky straight texture. Smack some gel in her, and she is bone straight. But now my hair texture is like 3 different textures. The outside is nice and straight. The ends are very coarse, like it's very coarse, and then the inside is very dense but soft. So I don't know if that's 4C, 5K, like I have no clue what texture my hair is. My natural girlies, if you know, let me know in the comments below. But I wanted to show you how to do a ponytail a ponytail on natural hair because my hair is natural right now. I definitely do want to get it relaxed or straightened, but I do want to permanent relax it something because this is too much. It's too much. Every day is too much. So yeah, I'll show you guys how I get a natural ponytail and how to get this ponytail. This ponytail is actually from Amazon, so I will link it in the description box down below. Just smack it on, and I will link all these products down in the description box below as well. You know, I got you in the comment section below. And the one little trick that I do want to tell you babes, I don't know if I said it in the voiceover or not, excuse me, but if you blow dry your hair, the straighter you can get your the straighter you can blow dry your hair out, like with the blow dryer. You don't have to straighten it, but use the blow dryer, try to get it as straight as possible. That helps a lot as well. My blow dryer is literally broken right now. I will insert a picture because I don't feel like getting up and getting it. It is broken. The head came off, so I couldn't get it as straight as I probably could if the head was attached. But my hair was always breaking the comb. You know the struggle. So yeah, but in today's video I didn't do any makeup, so let me know if y'all want a updated skincare routine because my skin has been doing really good. Like I do have, like, of course have some blemishes, but for the most part this has been, my skin has looked really, it's looking really good. I'm looking in the mirror right now. Compared to previous years, so my skin is nice and bright. It's so much brighter. Like, it's like my skin is looking so good. So today is no makeup. Let me know, like literally no makeup. Like I think I just have some cocoa butter on my lips. I don't have lip gloss on, but my skin is just glowing. Like it's looking so good. So let me know if you want a skincare routine. Yeah, no, I'll be happy to do that for you babes. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below what y'all want to see next. I love you queens to the moon and back, and I will see you babes in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you queens and princesses in my next video. Babes, let's get started. So right now I am moisturizing my hair. Make sure you moisturize your hair before you do any ponytail, anything. Your hair needs to be moisturized so you can have nice, moisturized, soft, pretty hairstyle. You don't want a cute hairstyle, your hair look dry. Okay? So I'm using the Olive Miracle anti-breakage formulation. This is the daily hydration oil moisturizing lotion that I'm putting all over my hair, because if I don't put this on my hair or some type of moisturizer and then a gel, it won't look cute. So do that. And if you want to add some hair oil drops, you can as well right now. Now I'm taking mainly right now the Slick and Jam, the Magic Fingers, and this, you usually use this for braiding your hair, but I like to use this for my ponytails as well. And right now I should have pulled out my edges before I added the Slick and Jam, because now my hair is all slicked up, the edges are slicked up. Now I need to pull against the gel that's in them, so I should have pull my edges out first. I would suggest you pull out your edges then add the Slick and Jam, but you live and you learn. Now I'm taking a little bit more of that Slick and Jam, and then I take some Ebony 24-hour edge tamer, and I'm just flicking it up with a nice hard brush to smooth it out. And then when I'm done with that, make sure everything just blends in it and everything, I'm taking this 100% pure Australian beeswax conditioner. Well, it says conditioner, sealant. And I'm taking that on my fingers, rubbing it in between my hands to warm it up, and then applying that to my hair and then slicking it back up. And then that's it. I'm going to do my edges with a little bit of beeswax and the edge tamer and just swoop my edges. Y'all, why none of y'all told me my ponytail was crooked? I thought I was done. I could just do my edges. This is gonna be a real fast video. No, my ponytail is freaking crooked. She's crooked, she's limping, she's. Oh, I just fixed it. that was a fast one. Okay. Alright, back to the voiceover. I was just about to cry. Well, I wasn't gonna cry, but I was gonna be really upset. You can stop here if you just want to do a top bun and make the bun a little neater. But I'm gonna show you how I attach my ponytail. So back to the voiceover queen.
Said he wanna get to know me. Never had a Cali girl, I told him let me show ya. Better have your body before it's over, hope you holding. Yeah, tonight we playing poker. Yeah. He was tall with a slight tinge, stuffed with a couple band scars on his knuckles and tattoos of his homeland. He spoke with an accent so slow and southern, no lie. I've been envisioning positions on his nightstand. Kitty is sticky, got bitches better than Nikki B. And this fly ass is easy, making this spread like I'm Jeezy. My skinny's tighter than Weezy's, groupies in line like I'm breezy. So only my TMZ, me pussy paradise. Fiji, paparazzi like Maryland. Dirty Diana, no panties and some Joe to say. I got that feeling on repeat, he know it's on when he see me. He pushed the block in the 6 and I made him the industry. Not looking at me, but it's you. This ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you want. Whip it whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Baby, it's your world. Stop playing, you know you wonder about it. Close your eyes and felt yourself, now picture me around you. Boy, you know you're fucking with me and say that you like the way. Sitting right in them jeans, I saw the look in his eye and I told him to follow me. He was cool with arrogance, cool as the president. Them feds come knocking, he don't know nada, just like an immigrant. He know he can get it and he stay with a couple bitches. All that gossip I'm hearing said he looking no wife a misfit. You be Martin, I be Gina, cause tonight I'm off this lane, bruh. We grown enough to get it poppin'. Shawty, take it there. Got me feeling 18 again, more than a crush.
So yeah, see, I have some waves, so now I'm just using this wax stick, 24-hour wax stick tamer to slick and try to straighten out the waves as I possibly can, humanly possible. You're gonna have some waves with the natural hair, it's just inevitable, but we're trying to get it as slick and straight as possible without using straightening our hair.
You want it, I can see.
So now I'm just taking the rest of my ponytail, pinning it with a bobby pin, and now I'm going to attach my ponytail. Now I should have showed you guys what the ponytail looks like on the inside, but it's just a comb on the bottom and the top and a drawstring. So now I'm just securing the top of it. Please do not secure your ponytail too tight, babes. Like, do not sacrifice the look for comfort. Do not try to put the comb in and make it super tight so you get a headache all day. No, that's not cute. So making sure the ponytail is comfortable and secure, but it's not pulling all your brain cells out your head. Okay, now after we adjust our ponytail, I take as I'm done posing, I take a piece of the hair underneath the ponytail, and then I surround it around the base and I pin it.
Learn to walk before you fly. You need to enjoy your life. So all I know. Before you time, learn to walk before you fly. You need to enjoy your life. So all I know. Hold on, trying to grow before you time. Learn to walk before you fly. You need to enjoy your life. So all I know.
So yeah, queens, that is it for today's video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms at QueenCierra_slay. And don't forget to follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. Queen Cierra Boutique is currently having a 60% off blowout sale. So go shop. We got sunglasses, lip glosses, handbags, body shimmers, earrings, hats. We got it all. So if you want some cute summer accessories, shop Queen Cierra Boutique right now before the sale is over. I love you, queens, to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah!